ಹಲೋ ಎವ್ರಿವನ್, ಹೋಪ್ ಯು ಆಲ್ ಆರ್ ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್ ಗುಡ್. ಇವತ್ತು ನನ್ನ ಮಗಳು ಸ್ಕೂಲಲ್ಲಿ ಥೆಮ್ಯಾಟಿಕ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟೇಷನ್ ಇದೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೊರಟಿದ್ದೀವಿ.
Yes, okay. Let's check what temperature man is having now. Wow. Okay, let's wait. What's the temperature? 101. Fever? Yes. So what should you do when man is having fever? Okay, she herself is picking up the injection now. Speedy. You have to take it, ma'am. See. All the children wants to give injection to the teacher. Okay, thank you, Abhisheka.
It was a great show, in fact. My daughter presented as doctor, and she did great. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, everyone. And fantastic team. Thank you.
ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿತ್ತು, ಮಕ್ಕಳೆಲ್ಲ ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮಾತಾಡಿದ್ರು. ನಮಗಂತೂ ಖುಷಿ ಆಯಿತು. 2.5 ವರ್ಷದ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಸ್ಟೇಜ್ ಮೇಲೆ ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಪರ್ಫಾರ್ಮೆನ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡೋದು ಅಂದರೆ ಸುಲಭದ ಮಾತೇ ಅಲ್ಲ. ತಂದೆ ತಾಯಿದಿರ ಶ್ರಮ ಮತ್ತು ಟೀಚರ್ ಶ್ರಮ ತುಂಬಾ ಇತ್ತು.
Hello doctor. Good morning. How are you?
Fine.
Okay, how was the program today?
Friday.
Doctor program. It was good, right? All right. Take care. Thank you.
Say good morning.
The morning Deva. My name is Samstha. I'm sitting in Telugu at Smoking. To the doctor, I keep person and the person. Thank you.
ನಿಮಗೆ ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆದಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಫಾರ್ ವಾಚಿಂಗ್.